Now student, our second topic is mitochondria. Mitochondria, another important cell organelle of the cell. Now there will be the definition of mitochondria, that mitochondria are membrane bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells, where it is present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells, that produces adenosine triphosphate, the main energy molecule used by the cell. What it is being produced? Adenosine triphosphate, the main energy molecule used by the cell. So mitochondria are membrane bound organelles present in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cells, that produces adenosine triphosphate, which is the main energy molecule used by the cell. Now what is mitochondria? We know mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria are double membrane bound organelle found in the most eukaryotic organisms. Where it is found? Mostly in the eukaryotic organisms. Where it is found? Mostly in eukaryotic organisms. They are double membrane bound organelle. They are found inside the cytoplasm and essentially functions as the cell's digestive system. Now how it is work? It works as the function of the digestive system of the cells. They are found inside the cytoplasm and essentially functions as the cell's digestive system, and essentially functions as the cell's digestive system. Now they play a major role in breaking down nutrients, and generating energy rich molecules for the cell. Now what they play? Mitochondria play a major role in breaking down nutrients and generating energy rich molecules for the cell, Now many of the biochemical reactions involved in cellular respiration takes place within the mitochondria. Now many of the cellular respiration takes place within the mitochondria because it is a biochemical reaction. Now the term mitochondrion is derived from the Greek word called mitos and chondrion, which means mitos means thread and chondrions means granules like respectively. It was first described by a German pathologist named Richard Altman in the year 1890. So mitochondria means, mitos means thread and chondrions means granules like respectively. This was first derived by a German pathologist named Richard Altman in the year 1890. Now, what should be the diagram of the mitochondria? It has been given in your book also. Diagram of mitochondria. It has several structures. We can see granules, ribosomes, cristae. These structures are called cristae. These intermembrane space, the space between this and this, intermembrane space. This is your intermembrane space. Matrix filled inside this matrix. It has been filled, it is called matrix. This is called interspace, intermembrane space. Now this is the cristae, this is structure, ribosomes and granules, ATP synthase particles, ATP synthase particles, inner membrane. This is your inner membrane, outer membrane, outer membrane, D-ribonucleic acid, DNA, DNA. So all these things are being found in the mitochondria itself. These are found in the mitochondria itself. So now the structure of mitochondria. The mitochondrion is a double membrane. What is it? It is double membrane, rod shaped structure found in both plant and animal cell. Found in both plant and animal cell. Its size ranges from 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. The structure comprises an outer membrane, an inner membrane, and a gel-like material called matrix. The structure comprises an outer membrane, an inner membrane, and a gel-like material called matrix. What it is called? Matrix. Now, the outer membrane and the inner membrane are made up of proteins and phospholipid layers separated by intermembrane space. The outer membrane and the inner membrane are made of proteins and phospholipid layers separated by the intermembrane space. Now here you can see this is the outer membrane and this is the inner membrane, which is made up of protein and phospholipid layers separated by the intermembrane space. Intermembrane space. Now, the outer membrane covers the surface of the mitochondria and a large number of special proteins known as porins. The special proteins called porins. A large number of special proteins known as porins. It is freely permeable to ions, nutrients, molecules, energy molecules like the ADP and ADP molecules. Now there was a cristae. What is that cristae? The inner membrane of mitochondria is rather complex in structure. It has many folds that form a layered structure called cristae. Now, the inner membrane of mitochondria is rather complex in structure. It has many folds that form a layered structure called cristae. What is called? It has many folds that form a layered structure called cristae. Now, this cristae helps in increasing the surface area inside the organelle. The cristae and the proteins of the inner membrane aids in the production of ATP molecules. The inner membrane is strictly permeable only to oxygen and to ATP molecules. A large number of chemical reactions take place within the inner membrane of mitochondria. A large number of chemical reaction takes place in the inner membrane of mitochondria. The inner membrane is being permeable only to oxygen and to ATP molecules. Now this was the structure of mitochondria and crystal. Now what is mitochondrial matrix? Now mitochondrial matrix. The mitochondrial matrix is a viscous fluid that contains a mixture. The mitochondrial matrix is a viscous fluid that contains a mixture of enzymes and proteins. What is mitochondrial matrix? It is a viscous fluid contains a mixture of enzymes and proteins. A mixture of enzymes and proteins. It also comprises ribosomes, inorganic ions, mitochondrial DNA, nucleotides, cofactors, and organic molecules. The enzymes present in the matrix play an important role in the synthesis of ATP molecules. Now, the last is your function of mitochondria. The most important function of mitochondria is to produce energy through the process of oxidative phosphorylation. It is also involved in the following processes. It regulates the metabolic activity of the cell, that is, it is called powerhouse of the cell. Promotes the growth of new cells and cell multiplication. Helps in detoxifying ammonia in the liver cells. Plays an important role in apoptosis or programmed cell death. So these were responsible for building certain parts of the blood and various hormones like testosterone and progesterone. Helps in maintaining an adequate concentration of calcium ions within the compartments of the cell. It is also involved in various cellular activities like cellular differentiation, cell signaling, cell sequence sensing, controlling the cell cycle, and also in cell growth. Now, disorder associated with mitochondria. First, an irregularity in the way mitochondria functions can directly affect human health, but often it is difficult to identify because symptoms differ from person to person. Disorders of the mitochondria can be quite severe. In some cases, it can even cause an organ to fail. Mitochondrial diseases, Alpers disease, Barth syndrome, Kearns-Sayre syndrome, all these had made a habitat which is being known as disorders associated with mitochondria. So this was the video on two cell organelles, ribosomes and mitochondria, which is known as the powerhouse of the cell, and also energy produced by the process of respiration, which food such as glucose is broken down by oxygen. Thus mitochondria uses glucose and oxygen produce energy, and glucose and oxygen to produce energy. Mitochondria are found in the large number in the cytoplasm in all the cell. So now, thank you till this. Please go through the video, hear it once, twice and thrice, and read the notes which is necessary for everyone. Thank you, students.